to our channel.
Bye.
I'm not by it. On today's video, I'm gonna share you I'm gonna do unboxing of my Galaxy Tab S Lite
Get my tail. Hi, my bag.
10.4
Hi, my bag.
inches. What hide your bag?
Hi, my
Just freaking mommy talking. And here's the
bag.
tablet. Yeah, we're just gonna show it. And here's the tablet.
Here's a tablet. Hey, it's a box.
It the price ranges from, I think, $350 to $375. It depends on what country.
Yeah, a box.
So yeah, that's it. Without further ado, let's start. I'm gonna show you first the accessory that I bought from Amazon. I already pictured this.
It's very big.
Yeah, not too loud. Mommy talking.
Wow, very big.
I already featured this
Hi, guys.
jelly case from my previous video, and I'm just gonna show it to you.
Wow, it's a big chocolate.
This is how it looks like. It's a frosted
Look,
jelly
it's a
case
flower.
with roses and hibiscus prints.
Chocolate. I want to eat it.
And let's start. Actually, I already opened this one, but I'm just gonna share it to you. With you. When hubby bought this tablet, it comes with an accessory. A notebook case. It's a magnetic one and a charcoal gray color, or an Oxford gray. This is how it looks like. Next is the phone or the tablet. It's already on because I don't know how to turn it off. It's a 10.4 inches tablet. I'm gonna read it to you, the specs. It says processor type octa-core, color is Oxford gray, but it looks black on the screen, and it weighs 1 pound. The rear camera is 8 megapixel and the back camera is 5 megapixel. Battery life is Lion 7040 mAh fast charging, and the memory for RAM is 4 gig and 128 gig for external memory capacity. Micro SD up to 1 terabyte, and then connectivity is USB, and then so this tablet is with lined with those S tablets. That's why it has S Pen. And the S Pen is a magnetic one. Sorry, I don't know how to explain.
I show you.
Yep,
Yep.
the package, the package comes with a magnetic notebook, as I showed you. Magnetic notebook tablet case with S Pen, with a charger and a SIM and a micro SD injector, headphone and SIM card not included. So let's start. As you can see, this one, it's from the tempered glass. It's not really nice. I just bought it from Amazon. I already used. It comes with a 2-pack, but both of them are not good. So I just keep it. Or I just leave it. And the next is the charger, the adapter and the cord. It's a USB-C type. And then here's the SIM injector and the quick guide. Just wait. And here's the S Pen. Oops. Here's the S Pen. It's an Oxford gray color too. Unlike the other S Pens, this one is rounded. This has 2-in-1 capacitive and resistive hard tip stylus combination. It's also a lightweight. It has lightweight design, makes it easy to control, durable and solid aluminum. Using this S Pen instead of your finger to touch your tablet or iPad to avoid scratches, bumps, crease, fingerprints on your screen.